Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about comparing numbers. You have already studied this topic in class 2 and in 1, but for 2 and 3 digit numbers. In this class, we are going to study about 4 digit numbers, that how to compare a 4 digit number. I've taken an example here. You and your friend are playing a game. At the end of the game, you scored 98 points and your friend scored 93 points. If you want to find who is the winner, what you will do? You have to compare both the numbers. Compare means you have to find which number is bigger here. You know 98 is bigger than 93. So who is the winner? You are the winner here. And how you were able to find that 98 is greater than 93? By comparing them. These symbols are used whenever we have to compare two numbers. Let's learn some trick or steps to compare 4-digit numbers. Step 1. Count the number of digits in each number. The number with more number of digits is always greater. I've taken an example. With this example, we are going to understand trick number 1 or step number 1. 1435 and 910. We have to find, or we can say we have to compare both the numbers. We have to find which number is greater. What is the first step which we have just now we have read? We have to count the number of digits. I have 4 digits in 1435. And what are they? 1, 4, 3 and 5. Come to 910. It's made up of 3 digits. And what are those digits? 9, 1 and 0. So the number which has more number of digits is always greater. So the mouth of the crocodile or the mouth of the symbol will be always open towards a greater number. I've taken one more example. I have to compare here 625 and 6250. I have to find that which number is greater. What I'll do? I'll count the number of digits in 625. It is made up of 3 digits and 6250 is made up of how many digits? 4 digits. So which number is greater here? The number which has larger number of digits or more number of digits. So we can say that 6250 is greater than 6225. Now on the screen you can see trick number 2. If both the numbers have equal number of digits, then compare the thousands place. If the thousands digit is greater, the number is greater. We will understand trick number 2 or step number 2 with an example. I have to compare two numbers over here, 7435 and 5928. What is the trick number 1 which we have learned? That we have to count the number of digits. So how many digits we have in 7435? I have 4 digits. And what are they? 7, 4, 3 and 5. What about 5928? It is made up of how many digits? 4 digits. What are they? 5, 9, 2 and 8. As the digits are same, it becomes little difficult for us to compare which number is greater. What we will do now? We'll see the thousands place. Which number I have in thousands place here? Which digit I have under thousands place? I have 7 here and under thousands place I have 5 here. So which is greater? Is 7 greater than 5 or 5 greater than 7? 7 is greater than 5. So the mouth of the symbol will be open towards 7435. I'm going to take a second example. 6350 and 8190. We need to compare both the numbers. What are you going to do? First step, trick number 1. We need to count the number of digits. 6350 is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, and 8190 is made up of 4 digits, that is 8, 1, 9 and 0. If the digits are same, what are you going to do? You're going to compare the thousands place. I have 6 here, I have 8 here. So which number is greater here? Number 8 is greater. So we can say 8190 is greater than 6350. So the mouth of the symbol will be open towards 8190. Now it's trick number 3. If the thousands digits are equal, then compare the hundreds digit of two numbers. If the hundreds digit is greater, then the number is greater. Let's understand trick number 3 with an example. I have to compare 7132 and 7056. Which number is greater here? What is the first trick which we have learned? Count the number of digits. How many digits I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many digits I have in 7056? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. As the digits are same, what you will do? You will use your trick number 2. You have to compare the thousands place. I have 7 here. I have 7. As the digits are same, I will go to my next place, that is hundreds. So which digit I have in hundreds place here? I have 1. And which digit I have in hundreds place in 7056? I have 0. So which number is greater here? 1. Which digit is greater here? 1 or 0? 1 is greater than 0. So we can say that 7132 is greater than 7056. Come to the next example. 3496 and 3523. We need to compare which number. We have to compare both the numbers and have to find which number is greater here. What are you going to do? You have to count the digits. Step number 1. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits here. And how many digits I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So my trick number 1 I cannot use here. I'll go to my trick number 2. What is trick number 2? See the thousands place. So here in thousands place I have 3. Here in thousands place I have 3. As the digits in thousands place are same, I cannot find that which number is greater here. So I'll go to my hundreds place. In my hundreds place I have 4. Here I have 5. Which is greater here? 5 is greater than 4. So we can say that 3523 is greater than 3496. Now we will learn trick number 4. If all the digits in two numbers are equal, then the numbers are equal. We are going to learn or going to understand trick number 4 with this example. I have 2468, 2468. I have to compare both the numbers. What's the first trick? Count the number of digits. I have 4 digits in 2468 and 4 digits in 2468. If the digits are same, what does trick number 2 says? Trick number 2 says that you have to compare the thousands place. I have 2 and 2 in thousands. Again the digits are same, so we'll go to the hundreds place. I have 4 and 4 here. In my hundreds place, again my digits are same, so I'll run to the tens place. So I have 6 in tens place and I have 6 in tens place. Again, the digits are same, so I'll go to my ones place. I have 8 and 8. Again, it's same. So, if all the digits and all the digits under each place is same, we can say that both the numbers are equal to each other. We use this symbol to denote equal to sign. Two horizontal lines, sleeping lines we can say, just one below the other. Here I have taken two more examples. It's 9182 and 9182. You have to compare that which number is greater here. What I'll do? Count the digits. I have 4 digits here. I have 4 digits here. So what are you going to do? Compare the thousands please. 9 and 9. So if my digits in the thousands place are same, I am going to see my hundreds place. I have 1. I have 1. So in my hundreds place, I have again same number of digits. So I'll go to my tens place. I have 8 and I have 8. Go to, as my digits in tens place are same, I'll go to my ones place. I have 2 and I have 2. So we can say that both numbers are equal to each other as the digits are same and digits under each place is also same. What about 4001 and 4001? Trick number 1, count the digits. I have 4 digits. So we'll go to trick number 2. Compare the thousands place. Again I have same number of digits. As my digits in thousands place are same, I'll go to my hundreds place. I have 0 and I have 0 here. Again the digits are same, so I will run to my tens place. Again I have 0 here and 0 over here. So what I'll do? I'll run to my ones place now. I have 1 and I have 1. As my digits are same and each digit in each place is also same, so I can say that both the numbers are equal to each other. I hope the concept was clear to everyone.